So in this series, I've been talking about backyard elements. So what I'm going to show you today is doghouse for the backyard and a little birdhouse. So first I'm going to start off with a 4x4 plate. I'll put this right here. Actually, I'll put it right here. Get that on there real good. Then I have two 1x3s. I'm going to set those right here. Hopefully I don't knock down my tree. Then a 1x4. Put that right there. Then I've got a 2x1. Another 1x3. Another 1x3. Then I have for the opening, go right over there. Then I'm going to add in a few slope pieces. So I'll put this one here. I'll put this one right here. And then for the top, go ahead and put that right there. Okay, then I'll go ahead and put my little dog right here. There we go, right in front of the doghouse. Okay, now I'm going to add a birdhouse. So first I'm going to start with a round 1x1, then a little brown pole piece. Put that there, put that down there. Then another 1x1, round it, put that right up on the top. And then let me just go ahead and assemble my little birdhouse. So it's a couple of different little pieces. 2x2, the 2x1 with a hole in it, another 2x1, and then a slope. So simply add it here, there, just like that. And I got my birdhouse right there. So I found it's easier to attach this first and then slide it right under the pole. There we go. So there you go. Little birdhouse along with the small little doghouse. And that's just another little element you can add for your backyard.